The Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement (Hanm) had submitted a complaint to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma on the illegal collection of Weighbridge fee for vehicles carrying essential items. At a press conference held on the 24th of May 2022, the president of the Hanm, Lamprang Kharbani, said that the complaint that was submitted to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma with a copy to Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and Transport Minister Dasakiat Lamare included a demand for the Chief Minister's intervention on the exemption of essential goods laden trucks coming from Assam, other states as well as from any of the northeastern states to Meghalaya from being levied a fee at the Umling Weighbridge. Further, the president of the Hanm informed that such units are to weigh only those vehicles that carry minerals for transportation to factories or to other states of the country. He added that the weighing and fee collection from trucks transporting essential good items to Shillong has impacted the retail and market price of such items, thereby causing rise in price of essential commodities across the Khasi and Jantia hills of Meghalaya.
Kibawan na po Northeast laga jom kador, kibawan na Shabar jom Northeast laga jom kador, berkibawan na Assam laga jom kador. Kikali bawan na Assam kiai lang baka surok ko hati sa Shillong. Kiwan ban penhap ki marbam hagan ganong ba Shillong, bat na Shillong la pensap yang Shabaro ki benta jom gari kasi Jantia. Kane ka jing thau ya ki marbam ka penlong ya ka jing kiudor ya ki marbam de. Haka jing sya katai kakata ka badon ho Umling kalong tang ban thau ya ki marpau kendau ki bami na kane ka jala bandaj sya Assam lane sya ki karkhana ki badon HIP ha Bernihat River District. Dai ban thau tang Duyong Mausun Mauleng lada don siap bat kiwe ki marpok kendau om ya ki marbam merde ban kiu na Assam Syam Meghalaya te habade berkane nakaliang jong sen HM the idol cast mane show Chief Minister Government of Meghalaya lai ku piru show Deputy CM Preston Tensong but kumju show Minister in charge ka transportation te nakaliang juga CM ni dawa ba Chief Minister ubodai klidu jong Government of Meghalaya udai bantu klan baden post office sundon namar katkum kejingsya ba kadau ba dausan ba penlong ban kiu ki marmbam mardi hal negeri itu cui kalong balasa krong kisah dengan ti layonong tang kwan mantoi tung uai pat kalak ta pat ya ka janjar jung pen ba no susno betul lah